In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare SSL certificate for GoDaddy shared web hosting. We're going to secure your GoDaddy cPanel website with a Cloudflare Origin SSL certificate, which gives you encryption from the browser to Cloudflare and from Cloudflare to your hosting server. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, click the Add button and choose Connect a Domain, then enter your domain name. Follow the prompts to get the site into your Cloudflare account. If Cloudflare asks you to confirm settings or scan records, just continue through. We just need the site present so we can create an origin certificate. Next, in Cloudflare, open SSL, TLS, and go to the Origin Server tab. Click Create Certificate. When prompted for how to generate it, choose Generate Private Key and CSR with Cloudflare. This lets Cloudflare create everything you need without extra tools. In the host names box, list the names you want protected, like example.com and twat.example.com if you use subdomains. Choose a certificate validity period that suits you, then create the certificate. Cloudflare will show two blocks of text: the certificate, CRT, and the private key. Copy both and keep the private key secure. Do not share it publicly. Now switch over to your GoDaddy account, log in, go to My Products, find your web hosting plan, select Manage, and open cPanel Admin. In the cPanel dashboard, scroll to the Security section and click SSL TLS. You'll first add the private key. Open the private keys area, choose to upload or paste the key you copied from Cloudflare, then save it. Next, go back to SSL TLS and open Certificates, CRT. Paste in the certificate from Cloudflare and save it as well. With both pieces stored, it's time to install the certificate on your domain. In SSL TLS, choose Install and Manage SSL for your site. Select your domain from the list, let cPanel find the matching key and certificate you just uploaded, and click Install. You should see a confirmation that the certificate was installed for your domain. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and open SSL TLS, then Overview. Set the encryption mode to Full Strict. This is important. Full Strict verifies the certificate Cloudflare uses to connect to your origin, ensuring true end-to-end encryption and preventing downgrade scenarios. That's it. Your GoDaddy site is now protected with a Cloudflare Origin SSL certificate. Keep your private key safe, note your certificate's expiration date so you can renew in time, and enjoy a fully encrypted professional setup without downtime.